Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, as you know that we are just 2 weeks away from the Unpacked event, and as expected the leak has been more intensified. Today we have got a lot of leaks to talk about, starting with the real look at the front of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. iUniverse shared this image comparison of the Z Fold 4 cover display with Z Fold 3 and the Vivo X Fold cover screen, and it gives us a better idea of changes we are going to see with these new foldables. As you can see, the Z Fold 4 seemingly have a thinner metal frame near the hinge. It actually have more comparable to Vivo X Fold than the Z Fold 3. Apart from that, there is no major changes are expected for the upcoming Z Fold 4. Now, basically, this new hinge will bring a new thing inside the Z Fold 4 outer display that it's expected to be a little bit wider than the Z Fold 3. Also, the inner bezels are going to be also trimmed down, and it's going to be a bit slimmer as compared to the Fold 3. Now moving on, we also have the front image of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, again from the iUniverse, which is in line with the last month Tech Talk TV has shared. The bezels on the Z Flip 4 are going to be slimmer and significantly reduced crease is going to be coming. But apart from that, there is no major changes to the design is coming for the Flip 4. Although, just like the Z Fold 4, the hinge on the Z Flip 4 will be getting slimmer as well. The biggest difference we are going to see is the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, which offer a generational improvement over its predecessor. The cameras are getting even better too, with a 50 megapixel of a main unit for the Z Fold 4. Now Samsung expects the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 to outsell this predecessor, and to achieve that, it's important for them to either decrease the price or worst, keep them unchanged. According to the latest leak coming from the pricing of the upcoming foldable devices, it is expected to be increased €50 for the Z Flip 4, and Z Fold 4 will be coming with €100 of a price increase. So personally, I think that if Samsung wanted to improve their sales, then they definitely should consider the pricing for its foldable devices. Anyhow, finally we have some information about the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. You might have heard at this point that the battery life on the Watch 5 Pro is going to be really good, and now we have some more context on it. iUniverse says that the battery on the Watch 5 Pro can last at least 3 days. This will make the Watch 5 Pro one of the only Wear OS watches with 3 days of battery life. So it seems like Watch 5 Pro is going to make a big effort to avoid the battery problems with Wear OS platform. Of course, to keep update with all the latest news, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.